Little treat today for you guys, 18-foot trailer here. You've seen a bunch of these on our YouTube page. 150 feet of hose, got the fan, generator, compressor. Again, 18 feet. We just got done running this machine. I'm going to edit this together. This is actually my last shot, but it'll end up being the first shot. Everything in here, just like we set up a Graco rig, an A25, but we put this imported machine in here, Chinese machine. In case you didn't know, even the Graco A25 comes from China. Very pleased with this, just ran it. You'll see some video here shortly. Open cell, outside it's about 40 degrees. Drums, we had this little heater, you'll see maybe in another clip. Drums are about 75 degrees. These are running great. These P.I.D, Delta P.I.D controllers, they actually learn when to turn on and when to shut down based on target temperature. They do that after a little bit of spraying. Actually, they do it all day, learning how the system's running and everything else. So this machine, what I like about it, it has an automatic park, which means that pump goes in the down position as soon as you shut the start switch off. And don't know why we had to relabel these. Somebody thinks it's a wise idea to put ISO over here and resin here, so we switched the fittings and then just relabeled it. So that's how that works. Great little machine, saves you about $5,000 over a Graco machine. I'm very pleased with it. Comes with a seal kit, a couple seal kits in case you got to rebuild the pumps, but very happy with it. All right, we'll plug in some more video, get it edited in here soon. See you in a minute. All right, guys, we are testing out this new little import machine here from our friends in China. And you may have seen our other videos on the Chinese rigs. This machine, we specified what size transformer we want in it. Basically, everything in the rig is the same as you'd get with, let's say, a Graco setup. You've seen in some of our other videos. But this is proving to be a pretty nice little machine for the money. It'll get you working. About a 20 plus pound a minute machine, 6,000 watts of heat. I can run up to 210 feet of hose on it. Delta controllers, OMRON counter down there at the bottom. Just seems like they've used some upgraded parts on this versus the low budget machines. So I think they've done a nice job, actually. You look down here at the pump assembly. I've got another video I did the other day of this pump running. Everything's reinforced. They've got nice rollers, nice blocks there to keep your pump assembly straight. The size of that piston coming down from the air motor is ridiculous. That thing's probably 2.5 inches wide. And we're going to fire this thing up right now and spray some foam with it. This is the maiden voyage. There'll be some hydraulic oil. We ran through it the other day, and we're ready to go. So if you watch some of my other videos, you'll see all the same equipment. We've got generator, compressor up front, air dryer, and hose heat has been on. We're at target temperature right now. Block heaters are up to temperature. I had them on. I just turned them off. So they're actually going to over temp at first because the thermostat wire, the temperature sensor is sitting right up against the heat rod. Once we start spraying, that temperature should come down on both sides. I just ran material through here without the heaters on. We're at about 75 degrees. We've had a heater down here for the last day and a half, heating up these drums. We've got some open cell there. This is no mix AccuFoam from Creative Polymers. Get about 18,000 board feet out of it, open cell. And I'll finish this video up in a minute. We'll get this thing running. Hang on, guys. All right, guys, I got Jacob here. We got the Chinese machine running inside. It's about maybe 40 degrees out here. First, second week of January. Graco Fusion gun. He's going to be spraying with the new PC gun when he gets going. We're also going to add some whips to this, some braided whip, And we're going to go ahead and purge this out. There's some hydraulic oil in it now, and we'll get some foam out of here in a minute. I'll get you some video of the machine running, and we'll keep going. Let's go, guys. All right, we're still purging some oil out. Got the drum pumps running. Our pressures look good. Temperatures look good. Controllers are always learning. They have an auto tune in them, which teaches the controller when to turn on and shut down. Pressure looks good here. Machine running. Very solid platform. I don't see any torquing. I don't see any twisting. See the rollers on the side. Runs like a champ. Very pleased with it. Alright, so there's the new Chinese rig. And gonna walk outside here. Jacob sprayed a little bit of foam. We had some hydraulic oil in it. Now we got some foam. Here's Mike, the customer, gonna spray with it a little bit. Got great pressure, great volume. Still a little bit of oil in it. Open cell. See it steaming off there. We might have to dial the temperature down a little bit. We'll take a look at it. We're just dialing this rig in right now, and pretty pleased with the product. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thank you. Alright, I think we have this open cell dialed in now. All the oil's out of it. I got Mike, the customer, spraying a little bit here. Like I said, it's about 40 degrees outside. Little Chinese rig is running great. And Mike hopefully is going to get to work next week, spraying some jobs. And that's open cell for you guys. Give us a call here, Spec Technology, 770-274-9888. Thank you, guys.